Hello, I will show you how to make a pixel effect to the Photoshop. Okay, let's start. First, select the quick selection tool. Select around the object or this person. And then right click, choose layer via copy. Then select the background again, layer 1 background. Select the rectangular marquee tool and create a selection here that you want to make an effect. Then right click, choose fill. Make sure content aware is selected and press OK. Then just wait until the load is finished. Now select layer 1, drag this to duplicate. Now select again the layer 1 and select the rectangular marquee tool, so it's already selected. Then right click, choose the free transform and drag this edge to make a size the effect that you created, and double click, and to hide this pattern select and deselect or Ctrl D. Now make sure layer 1 is selected and add a mask. Make sure your foreground is black. Then select the paint bucket tool and fill to the white mask layer. Now select again the layer 1 copy and add a mask. Now select the brush tool and select here. If you don't have an pixel or square brush, just go to here and select the square brushes and then press OK. So I choose the size 18 and click the toggle brush panel and click the scattering. So ang scatter nya is 1000%, count at 1, and also choose the shape dynamic. Okay, and size scatter na, so kung anong gusto yung size. So I just 80. Okay, so the other is default, so leave it. Okay, and then make sure use you make sure selected layer 1 copy the here, and now we create the effect. Then select the layer 1 mask. Make sure this foreground is white. Change this and create the effect here. Then click the FX and select the blending option. Choose the drop shadow and you can move the shadow. Okay, and then click OK. So for more interesting effect, go to filter and choose the stylize and wind. I will zoom this. Okay, check from the right. So I choose the wind. Okay, press OK. As you can see the effect. It's like blowing the wind. So that's it, how to make the pixel effect to the Photoshop. Hello, I will show you how to make an simple animation. So select the file and create new. Then okay, then select the timeline I have here and select the create frame animation. Here, and then select the text, create a text. To adjust the size here, like this, just press the control and move this cursor. Okay, and okay, and make another text portion here. Okay, I change this color to blue. make another also text down here. I change this color. Okay, so it's finished. After that, click the duplicate selected frame 3 times. Duplicate this 3 times. Just drag here to duplicate. 1, just duplicate 3 times. Okay, and hide all the layer except the background. Hide all the layer here. Select the first text layer. After that, select here the timeline first. Select the first text, this animation, and see, and next select, and then select again the another timeline to same layer and unhide this. Let's check the timeline and also the corresponding layer. For the background, second timeline, so it's okay. Next, okay. After that, just select the time, so I choose 0.5. all of them is 0.5. okay, after that select forever, so forever, check, and then play. So you see, our animation is finished. So that's to make an animation simple. So that's all, and thank you. I will show you how to make a face skull like a zombie. So let's start. So I have already selected picture here, and I also select a picture of skull. I choose this. Okay, and you select the opacity to make it visible to see the other image. Okay, I think it's okay. Then bring back the opacity to 100%. Then double click. Then click the layer, right click and choose the rasterized layer. Then add a mask, this layer. Then to hide this, make sure your foreground is black, and choose the brush tool and apply to make this hide. Okay, that's okay. Then bring back the white foreground up and choose this brush tool again, and we will see the effects. As you can see, and choose here the brush. I choose this, and then bring back the black color foreground. I zoom this, then to make an look like okay. So that's it, how to make a face skull like a zombie.